My first lady and my old lady. Check one. Alright. Me say, mommy, I'll never will I leave your side. Never will I turn my back on you or stand and watch you fight. I'll never will ignore your cry. No girlfriend can take your stripe or wear your heels, that's not their size. Mommy, you know, see say your boy come far. Your friend them must say your boy turn star. Mommy, a general, you can't punk her. Love me, mother, what do you talk about her? See now you have your house and your car, and you not be worry about no more landlord. Me know you long for we go out and par, but they feel that you know we have to go out and war. Mommy, I feel stay up on me to a stanger. Mommy get the money from the melody, them on the harmony. Still I wonder how you manage all how everybody good them something they know happen normally. Mommy a legend, I'm a lover from the start. Them I say you dead from the start. Check. Everybody just help me just sing the chorus right now. Everybody say, mommy, never will I leave your side. Never will I turn my back on you or stand and watch you fight. I'll never will ignore your cry. Now shuffle my one mother to the side. Anybody that like that talk, they can't go hide. Mommy are the best, you know. I love you with all of my heart. Boom.
All right, before we get to the judges, how do you feel about making it to the top 4?
Well, I feel very great because I'm moving closer and closer towards my dream.
All right, I hear you. Let's hear from the judges, starting with Conroy.
Well, sharp boss, you're not the outfit, but a nice, fun performance. I mean, it wasn't as hype. It was okay and cool, but because you've been doing so well, I mean, you're allowed to do one little hype, fun, cool stuff.
Anthony.
Yeah, well, with all due regard to Mommy, that song wasn't going anywhere. Yeah, but you know, it's always kind of fun watching you do what you do because you bring something to this competition we haven't seen before. And to just sort of reflect on the fact that you've tried out so many times and failed, and hence, and here in this year, you're completely sweeping it. You know, it's always kind of interesting checking out what you have to offer.
Alaine.
Sharp boss, your clothes that drop off for you for the whole time. I said strip boss. Okay, so we're going to wheel it back in. You're so much fun to watch. But the way you tiptoe on and off stage and kind of have your own thing going on, it's very cool. The song didn't go anywhere, like Anthony said, but it was fine because you were really enjoying yourself. And everybody who loves their mothers, which is all of us, I would like to hope, really appreciate the sentiment. So entertaining, you know, it wasn't your best vocal, but nice, man. Nice.
Thanks, judges.